How to add OneNote Picture Note widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and tap on Widgets. In here, scroll down, then tap on OneNote. And then tap on the OneNote picture, so tap on that and then drag it to your home screen and let go. Now whenever you want to quickly capture a picture, just simply tap on the widget. This will immediately open up the camera. Now take a shot and then tap on the confirm. You can change your area, your capture area, so you can cut it and then tap on confirm. Then you can add in filters or add in more pictures if you want to. So here I can take another shot at a different angle. Then tap on confirm. Alright, so once you are confirmed, tap on next, then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now captured the pictures into OneNote. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.